Did you ever go to a museum or an exhibit and see a recreation of the solar system, but it was inaccurately shrunk down like Earth was as big as Jupiter? Hello, we are the LCE class of 3e C, and today we will be telling you about our project and how you can and will help us.
Now our project is recreating the solar system accurately. Sure, it will be shrunk down, but the distance and size will be scaled down, but close enough to understand how big space really is.
Yes, since all of us are going to be working on this project, here is how we will achieve this. First, you will record a planet. It could be a drawing or a model, but it must have the right diameter.
So to accurately shrink down the system, we will use the scale 1 to 500 million, which means that 1 centimeter on the model is 5,000 kilometers in reality, or to simplify our calculations, 5 times 10 to the 8th power centimeter. For example, we will use the Sun. The Sun has a diameter of 1.391 times 10 to the 9th power meters. So to find how big it will be for our drawing, we will do 1.391 times 10 to the 9th power divided by 5 times 10 to the 8th power. This is equal to about 2.782 meters for our drawing. The Sun will be drawn in the middle of our school.
Mercury's diameter is 4.879 times 10 to the 6th power meters. So when we shrink it, we do that divided by 5 times 10 to the 8th power, which is equal to around 1 centimeter. For Venus, the diameter is 1.2 times 10 to the 7th power meters. So again, we divide that by 5 times 10 to the 8th power and obtain 2.4 centimeters. Finally, we are going to show you the remaining planets' diameters for the models. Feel free to pause.
Now that we know how big the model have to be precisely, we now must know where we place them. We will keep our scale of 1 to 500 million to calculate the distance between the model and our Sun.
So for Mercury, we will do 5.791 times 10 to the power of 10 divided by 5 times 10 to the power of 8, which is around 116 meters. We are now going to go on Google Maps and make a circle that has a radius of 116 meters, and you will have to take a photo of Mercury in its orbit. For Venus, we will do 1.092 multiplied by 10 to the power of 11, and divided once again by 5 times 10 to the power of 8 to get 216 meters. Here is the orbit of Venus. Finally, here are the calculations for the other planets and their orbit.
Now make your model. Go out there and help us make an accurate model of our solar system.